Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. 2011 or 2013. Hold on, let me see what year this car. 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and they put a 2011 engine computer. Like they changed the engine. They put an engine for 2011. The 2011 is totally different. When we come, we found out they put this piece here, this for 2011, with the key, and then when you do this one here, the first thing you're gonna lose, you will lose the topology. You will lose the radio frequency module function. That means you cannot use this one to start the car. It fell because this one here, you can program the key into it. But the radio frequency unit, which is located in this area there, a small piece, they call it radio frequency unit, that will control the proximity. It will not work. Also, we're getting problem of communication. So the key, this one is 2011, and the computer is 2011. This computer for 2011. It will not work with the transmission, with the engine transmission. So we don't know that after the car start, we're getting problem with communication line. From the communication line drop, the can high, can low. So we, with the old one, we add some lines here to help bypass the communication line. Now, we discovered that after the car doesn't work with the push start. The push start function doesn't work. So we put this one back, say, you know what, bring the original computer. Now, this computer is original. We took this one out. This is 2013. I believe even the part number could be different. Transmission is the original, 2013. So the transmission is 2013. The switch, everything now, the car work. One time it start, it gave me a transmission sign, and it doesn't want to start again. I disconnect this wire because this is a bypass for the can high, can low. As soon as I disconnect that one, the car start. So please, if you are working on those kind of cars, do not try to mix those stuff. They will not work. Even the wiring harness. Okay, let me see here now. I'm pushing it now. It work. But I realize also it work only, let me see the light. It work only without even push the brake. We're gonna look into that. But at least the car is start. And I have ABS light on. Also, I want to say, if you want to take the ignition switch out, it looks like you have to take a lot of stuff to go in from here. I don't know if you have to take the radio or you have to take this, but you have to make space. And there's some screw here. You have to release the screws. You see here? I have like, he took the whole connector from here because you have 3 screws here. If you are able to take them, but it looks like there is no access for some of the screw to release it easily. But also before you put this one here, try to leave this one out and start the car manually. When you start the car manually, it will work. I have some check engine light. I'm gonna look at all the, even the airbag light. I have check engine light, slippery, ABS, right rear tail signal working, everything is work. But this is a quick information about how you deal with those cars. Yeah, please spend your time a little bit, and if you try to change engine, put in advise that they will not work the way that you just change them. 2011, 2013, there is a quite different, even on wiring harness. One of the things that we have is that this is a wiring harness. No, not this wiring harness. This is for another car, I believe. Yeah, this one. The 2013 and 2011 wire harness are different. But this is, it's totally different. So be careful that you have to deal with the right wiring harness. You see here, those connectors, It's kind of different. So right now we put everything together. We're gonna tape this one, we eliminate it, and we hope everything will work. This one is not gonna work with this. This is have to have another car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.